Hey guys, today I'm doing a 200 subscriber special.
So for our 200 subscriber special, I'm going to be making food slimes, which is going to be so good. It's been trending a lot, including like the butter slime. So I'm going to start and try it out. So let's get started. The food slime that we're going to be making today is going to be
pancake slime, which is going to be awesome. So let's start it.
First, what you're going to do is you're going to take your glue and you just want to pretty much pour as much glue for as much pancakes as you want. And we're going to make pancake batter, but I don't think you'll want to eat it, so I'm just going to add the whole thing, but add a lot. Okay, that is good. So I looked up on Google how to make the color brown. I don't know why, but so they were saying orange and blue makes the color brown, so we're going to try that. I don't think it's going to work, so yeah, you can use either orange and blue food coloring or orange and blue acrylic paint, which I'm using. Just so you know, it is acrylic paint. Read it, you'll see, it's right there. So I think we're going to need the majority of orange, so let's start by adding in a tiny dot of blue. If he will come out. You're good. Now let's add more orange. So I started mostly with an equal amount, but more orange. So now let's mix these up, and let's hopefully mix a brownish color. This is making a grayish color. Not what I was looking for, so I don't know what we should add next, guys. What should we add next? Let's add in a little bit more blue. I hope this will work.
So sadly, my pancake color isn't working, so we have to find something different to do.
We're bringing yellow in the house. I don't think this is gonna work. Everyone said to use red, but I didn't have a red, so I'm like, I don't have a red. So now we are trying to make a brown color. This really does not want to work, so we're getting ready to make pink and purple pancakes. We shouldn't have picked pancakes, really. Yellow's turning out okay, but I hope on camera it looks more pancakey, because right now it doesn't. Ooh, it actually kind of does. I did make a brown. Thanks, yellow.
Now we are going to add some water to it, so let's do it.
Next thing you are going to do is you're going to add some hot water to your borax. So now you're going to mix up your borax and water solution. You want to mix the two things together. Yep. So I'm just going to add a little bit at a time because I don't want to ruin my, what do you want to call it? I don't want to ruin the color. What am I saying? You know what? I totally forgot. These are going to be really small pancakes. They're for babies. Okay, so I'm just going to... It's optional, so if you don't want to do this, you can just skip it. But if you do, you can listen. So, to make your pancakes smell good, I'm going to add in some maple syrup, but you only want to add in a little bit, because if you add in too much, then the pancakes will start turning too sticky. So like that, and then you just want to knead it in. It's going to be a little sticky and disgusting. So while you do that, you want to add in the borax and water solution. So it will start to turn not slimy, so that's why you need to use the borax and water solution very quickly. See, if mine's turning not slimy, so we're going to add in the borax and water solution, and then I'll be back to you when it turns back into slime. So before you add in the maple syrup, after you add in the maple syrup, it's going to act like it's not slime, so it's just going to act all goopy and stuff, and that is what you want, because that is what I plan to happen. So now, after you do that, you want to put it in the freezer for 10 minutes. So I'll be back when it's in 10, I'll be back in 10 minutes.
And take your borax and water solution and just make the slime, pretty much. That's how easy it is. You want it to be a little bit more thicker, so you want to add more solution. And this one is going to be a little bit hard to make just because it's so small. So I'll be back when it is actually like slime and not so small.
So here is the butter slime. It's not actually butter slime, so it's just yellow slime, but it's just going to be meant as a butter because I don't know what I would do with butter slime, so here it is. It's a lot of jiggly stuff, so if I drop it, it's like it'll still shake. And also, it is very hard, so which is good because butter is pretty hard to rip. But this one is very easy to rip because it's hard, so yeah. Let's go check on the pancake slime.
And here is my final pancake slime. Hope you guys like this video. But before we go, it's so sticky.